So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create record detail page on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now go with this website, log into your account right here, click on your profile picture, click on Access Zoho CRM. Now choose this settings icon, choose Canvas and choose this button which is called Create Record Detail Page. Now you have to select your module. You can choose from this list and select your layout. After selecting all of these details, you just need to click on this button right here called Create. Now guys, you will come on this page. And after that, you have to choose a template from these, and after choosing one, you just need to select this button. And now you can customize your template however you like, which is your record detail page. And after finishing your customization, you just need to select this save button right here. And now you're good to go. You have successfully created your record detail page on Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to make your record detail page on Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.